about to watch this video on your phone. But what if I told you that single habit, spending 4 to 6 hours a day on your screen, is literally reshaping your brain? Not metaphorically, literally. Shrinking the regions responsible for focus, memory, and emotional control. So, I ran an experiment. I put down my phone for 7 days. No social media, no scrolling. And I replaced every spare moment with books. What happened to my brain, my sleep, my mood, and my productivity will change how you see your phone forever. Here's what most people don't realize. Your phone isn't designed to be useful. It's designed to be irresistible. Every notification, every like, every infinite scroll, it triggers a dopamine hit. The same chemical released by gambling, by sugar. Researchers at Stanford call this the slot machine in your pocket. And here's the brutal truth. The average person checks their phone 96 times a day. That's once every 10 minutes. Your brain never gets a chance to go deep, to focus, to actually think. Reading a book forces exactly that. Deep, linear, focused thought. The kind of thinking that builds you, slowly, quietly, permanently. Day 1 to 2. Hands reaching for nothing. Phantom vibrations. A strange, itchy boredom that felt almost like panic. Science calls it nomophobia, phone separation anxiety, and it's real. Studies show cortisol levels spike in the first 24 hours of phone abstinence. Day 3. Something shifted. I sat down with a book and stayed. For 2 hours straight. No urge to check anything. This is the deep reading state. Psychologist Marianne Wolf calls it one of humanity's most sophisticated cognitive achievements. Day 4 to 5. Sleep transformed. I was falling asleep 40% faster because blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production for up to 3 hours. Books, 0 blue light. A Harvard Medical School study confirmed reading before bed cuts time to sleep in half. Day 6 to 7. Ideas started connecting. Reading builds what neuroscientists call semantic networks, rich webs of meaning in your brain. After just 7 days, my verbal fluency, creative output, and empathy scores all measurably improved. Yes, reading fiction literally makes you more empathetic. fMRI scans prove it. Let's get specific, because the research here is jaw-dropping. A 2013 Emory University study put participants through MRI scans after 9 days of reading. The results? Measurable, lasting changes in neural connectivity, especially in areas linked to language processing and physical sensation. The brain physically rewired itself. Meanwhile, a University of Sussex study found that just 6 minutes of reading reduces stress by 68%. More effective than listening to music, more effective than taking a walk. And the Alzheimer's Prevention Initiative? People who read regularly develop 2.5 times less cognitive decline as they age. Reading isn't just a hobby, it's a mental shield. Your phone gives you information. Books give you transformation. 7 days. That's all it took to sleep better, think deeper, stress less, and feel more human. I'm not telling you to throw your phone away, but I am telling you this. Every hour you give to a book, your brain thanks you in ways your phone never will. So here's your challenge. 1 week, 1 book. No excuses. Drop in the comments, what book would you start with? I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper on how to rebuild your focus in a distracted world, that video is right here. It's one of the most important things I've ever made. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.